Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Stay very please of rooms are available online. You can enjoy your stay. Standard rates and offers are available